Hey guys, I got my TG10 axles. Think you're ready for this? Not so sure. I'm quite pleased with the result. Have a look. So obviously this is what it looks like now. I still haven't cleaned out inside the front wheel wells yet. That's why it's sitting a bit higher in the front still. But yeah, so that's the setup I have currently on the truck. And what you saw in the last video and so on. But have a look at this. Some nice BBS wheels, nicely tucked in, almost perfectly. Can't exactly do the same in the front because the wheels still have to turn. But yeah, they fit there pretty good. So yeah, I am really pleased with this. That is really cool. So this was just a quick video, as I was pretty excited to share the result and the look that this thing is just killer. Probably one of my best. I know I'm not very patient when it comes to bodywork, but this one turned out pretty damn good. And the wheels just, I don't know, dude, just killer, man. I can't get over that. That's really freaking cool. So seriously, what'd you guys think of that? I can't get over how really cool this thing looks. I mean, it looked good before with the white wheels, but the BBS, I guess, just, you can't beat a BBS wheel, can you? I'll catch you guys later.